Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Hidayat. Okay, I will present my material, namely bioactivities and metabolic compounds of medical plants endophyte fungi in Indonesia. Introduction. In Indonesia, where a large quantity of medical herbs thrives, a significant portion of the population, particular those residing in rural areas, traditional depends on jamur or herbal medicines for disease treatment. Endophyte, endosymbiont microorganisme present an alternative strategy. They possess the capability to synthesize bioactive compounds similar to those produced by their host plants. Endophyte white include microorganisms like fungi and bacteria establish an immune symbiotic relationship with their host plant. Residing with the internal plant spores, the microorganism remain inconspicuous, causing no visible signs of infection or disease. Endophytes are a valuable source of natural compounds due to their remarkable ability to produce a diverse range of biological activity substance compared to other endosymbiotic microorganisms. They produce a wide array of secondary metabolites. The compounds are the subject of ongoing research for various medical and industrial applications. Endophyte are known to synthesize various classes of metabolites, including alkaloid, cytoclasines, furandiones, glycosides, isocoumarin, isoprenoid, lipid, perilene derivatives, phenol, polyketides, peptida, protein, steroid, terpenoid, sikimat, and xanthones. Indonesia medical plants. Indonesia has a great diversity in natural resources, including an abundance of medical plants. It is the second largest tropical country after Brazil, with a total of 1,000 plant species are found in Indonesia. The application of medical plants is a now passed down from generation to generation and is still maintained as local wisdom in many tribes in Java, Sumatra, Kalimantan, Sulawesi, and Papua Island. In South Sulawesi, Allium cepa, the most used plant at Rongkon community in Norlu district. Papua has a diverse biodiversity and there are various native plants which are utilized as traditional medicine by Papuan people, such as Mercodia pendens, Mer Asteromyrtus symphocarpan. Endophyte fungi and their potential bioactivity. Endophyte fungi ecological and diversity from Indonesia medical plants. Endophyte fungi, unlike mycorrhizal fungi that mainly inhabit the root system of plants, reside within various plants, including in roots, stems, and leaves. They established a symbiotic relationship with their host plant. Unlike mycorrhizal fungi, which mainly reside in the root system of plants. Endophyte fungi colony the entire plant, but intercalary and intracellular. Guiding Prickles. Endophyte fungi must overcome the plant's initial defense mechanism to establish a successful infection. They achieve this by manipulation host cells to form structure that enable them to penetrate plant tissues while preserving host cell integrity for a long-lasting extraction. Fungi endophytes have been isolated from a wide range of plant biological environments, from dry, arid regions to Arctic areas, and from temperate forests to tropical woods, savannas, grassland, and croplands. They have been discovered in a diverse range of plants, ranging from angiospermae to gymnospermae, mastophares, and from simple to complex plants. Isolation of bioactive compound directly from medical plants requires a lot of biomass, which has an impact on the extraction of biological resources due to limited raw material for herbal medicines. Therefore, on one way of using biotechnology up to increase the production of secondary metabolites from medical plants is by using endophyte microba, namely endophyte fungi. Indonesia medical plant endophyte fungi product antioxidant. Antioxidants are chemicals that, in very low quantities, dramatically block the role of oxidation in the targets. The antioxidant properties of certain polyphenolic compounds like flavonoids are often linked to the preserve of aromatic phenolic rings. The rings have the ability to donate electron and to transfer hydrogen atom to free radical, acting as scavengers of free radical, inhibitor of the formation of single oxygen and reduction agents. Endophyte fungi are known to produce a variety of antioxidant chemicals that are responsible for host plant stress tolerance. Many studies have been conducted to investigate the different fungi species found in medicinal plants, and there have been promising. Endophyte fungi product anti-cancer. Endophyte fungi have emerged as a consistent and abundant source of potential anti-cancer agents, marking a significant contribution for anti-cancer drug development. The fungi are at the forefront of the search for novel bioactive secondary metabolite whose toxic properties significantly contribution to the cause for plant-derived anti-cancer medication. Fungi endophyte product anti-diabetic. Over the last decade, there has been a significant increase in diabetes prevalence, and will continue to rise in significance and quantity in the next future. As a result, screening for anti-diabetic benefit the novel and economical source such as entonopit is required. Perfect Coumaran compound of hydroxyl 6,7 dimethyl 3 methyl coumarin obtained from the stem of Corchis gilfa by endophyte fungi Silaria sp. antimicrobial compound produced by fungi endophyte. Flavonoid are compounds generated by plants in response to microbial infection and exhibit hydroxylate phenolic characteristics. Thus, the antibacterial flavonoid display a diverse spectrum of activity against various cellular targets, facilitate drug interactions such as hydrogen bonding, hydrophobic effect, and covalent bonding with protein. Consequently, the antimicrobial activity is associated with the dispersion of microbial adenosine, cell envelope transport protein, enzyme, and that feed protein. For her, polyflavonoid can influence microbial membrane. Thank you.